In today's episode, I'm continuing on with my diabetic journey. So if you want to know what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Good morning. Well, I'm getting ready to start back walking. I'm home this morning and I'm early. It is 10 minutes to 8. And for some reason, I've been up since about 4. Couldn't go back to sleep. So I'm up. I got my breakfast ready. I'm going to drink my breakfast and take my morning meds. And then I'll pick you guys up when I go out walking. Okay, I'm getting ready to start walking. It's kind of cloudy out here. We're supposed to get some rain. So I'm going to try to get as far as I can before the rain. I'm going to switch it around and let y'all see this ugly sky out here. See how dark it is out here? And it's 8:30. Normally the sun is up and bright by now. Did I switch it around? Yeah, I did. It's just that dark. Okay. Well, that's supposed to be letting my husband come home today. So we shall see. But I thought I'd get out here and get some walking in. I hadn't been walking in a week. And I need to get myself back into it. Been eating wrong because I've been eating at the hospital up there with him, trying to make sure things are all right with him. And getting a few steps in just from walking at the hospital and, walking out to the car, all that kind of good stuff, But I'm back on it. I'm determined. I have to better my life. Now, what I plan on doing, probably next week, I'm going to order me one of those waist trainer beds, the sweat belts to wear while I walk to help with the gut. I know I have a poo-poo in the gut where the menopause doesn't help any. And because I stress weight, it's all in your stomach. So I'm going to start working on that part along with me walking. Now, not sure how far I get. I can smell the rain. Not sure how far I can get this morning before it starts raining. But I'm trying to get it in. Get something in before this weather changes. Hope everybody's weekend and week is going fine. Hope all is well with everyone. Everyone is in good health. I released, I think it was yesterday, a fall video. I have 2 more, one coming out tomorrow and one next week. I release videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then I release on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and then my second channel on Sunday. I have a guest on show Sunday, so I will have a show Sunday. My second channel name is YouTube Tips and More by Stephanie. So if you haven't seen my channel, I ask that you go and check it out. I share information that I've learned with YouTube, and I have some guests on there at least twice a month where we learn more about somebody new. So I'm almost to my first, my marker, and I will catch you guys when I get home. Okay, I'm back home. I thought I put the app on this phone for my walking, but I seen that I didn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use Google and track my steps and put down what the steps Google said the steps are and share those with y'all in this video. I'm tired. I'm sweating. It's hot. I'm going in for some water. I'll talk to you guys later.
If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you'll be blessed.